Hello, I'm Ridwan Firmansyah from class 10 TJKT1. Here I will explain about the phenomenon of solar eclipse. A solar eclipse is a condition in which the moon is in the middle of the sun and the earth, thus blocking the sunlight from reaching the earth. This happens when the moon dies. Its conceived shadow covers the Earth's surface and causes the side of the Earth that is covered by the moon's shadow to darken or eclipse. That is the reason why there is an eclipse. The Earth becomes dark like at night. A solar eclipse occurs when the position of the moon is between the earth and the sun, so that it appears to cover part or all of the sun's light in the earth's sky. Based on the way the sun is closed, there are four types or sun: total solar eclipse, annular solar eclipse, partial solar eclipse, and hybrid or mixed solar eclipse. Although the moon is about 400 times smaller than the sun, it is located about 400 times closer to the earth. So the two celestial bodies appears almost the same size in the Earth's sky because the moon's orbit is elliptical. Its distance from the Earth varies slightly, so that sometimes it appears larger and able to cover the sun, causing a total eclipse, or sometimes smaller and can only cause an annular solar eclipse. Eclipses are natural phenomena, but historically they have been seen as omens or forebodings and can trigger fear as the sun appears to be missing and the sky suddenly darkens. Since the place and times of past solar eclipse can be determined through astronomical calculations, historical records of eclipses the Assyrian solar eclipse allow historians to pinpoint the dates of some past events and to estimate the dates or years of related events. The change in the position of the constellation during the May 1919 solar eclipse was used as one proof of Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity. Four types of solar eclipse. Total solar eclipse. A total solar eclipse, which is when the moon covers the entire sun so that the corona, which covers the sun and is usually much dimmer than the sun, becomes visible in a total eclipse. Even the total eclipse is only visible in a small patch of the Earth's surface. 2. Annular solar eclipse. An annular solar eclipse, which is when the moon is exactly in the middle of the sun and the earth, but the size appears to be smaller than the visible size of the sun. As a result, the edge of the sun appears as a very big ring, and around the moon appears as a dark circle. 3. Mixed solar eclipse or a hybrid. A mixed solar eclipse or a hybrid between a total eclipse and an annular eclipse. In some parts of the Earth's surface, a total eclipse can be seen, while at other points an annular eclipse can be seen. Mixed eclipses like these are quite rare. 4. Partial solar eclipse. A partial solar eclipse occurs when the moon is not exactly in the middle of the line between the sun and the earth, so it only covers part of the sun. This phenomenon is usually seen at many points outside the path of a total or annular eclipse. Sometimes what is visible on Earth is only a partial eclipse because the umbra, the shadow that causes a total eclipse, does not intersect with the Earth and only passes through the region above the polar region. Partial eclipses usually don't really affect the brightness of the sun. Darkness can only be felt when more than 90% of the sun is covered by the moon, and even a partial eclipse that reaches 99% is no darker than dusk or dawn. That is all, and thank you.